Sometimes you may get this loosening over time. So in order to make sure and confirm it's not going to leak, is you want to just tighten this 1.1" galvanized nut up to the point where it is against the serrated washer, making the serrated washer dig in to the rubber washer, and then that will indicate enough tension on it to make sure that it doesn't leak. So you would use either a crescent wrench or a pair of channel locks, or if you've got an 1.1" wrench, that will do the trick. And that's it. So this is what we refer to as the Kerr bolt, and this is to secure the polycarbonate onto the roof with the thumb screws here. So what we have is a double washer system, so we don't have any leaks. We put this on. This comes down through the roof, so you've got a washer on top, and then we put a washer on the bottom, and then the serrated washer, the lock washer, to keep it tight. And just so you know, like there's those little indentations in this show, you know, that as long as this is snug on it, we know, and you've got those indentations going into the rubber, you know you've got it secure enough so that you shouldn't have any water issues. And the idea is if you ever do have a water, these come a little loose, we've got it set up so that you can just tighten it with a crescent wrench, and this actually has a lower hold point on it so that you can hold it like that and put your crescent wrench on it and snug it up at that point, and this will hold it tight. It's, you know, it would be and could be easier to do it with it off of the vehicle, but it is doable when it's on. And if you don't have a crescent wrench, it's actually an 1.1" wrench, the galvanized nut, or you can use channel locks just to snug them up. So just to make it so you don't have any water issues. But if you ever have any questions, call me. I'm the one that's going to help you out. All right?